What's up, guys? Just kind of doing stuff around the garage today and getting some stuff out of the car, so thought I'd share what I'm doing. That's my little camera thing going off, but yeah, I'm going to do a diff fluid flush on my BMW today, which I'll make a separate video on a DIY. I'm going to install this Burger Motorsports diff brace. Have no idea if it's actually going to do anything at all, but I figure why not. I haven't installed it, but I have it. And also I'm going to address the kind of surface rust on my trailer hitch on my ML over there. It's barely even noticeable, but who cares. And maybe, just maybe, I'll clean up my garage, but for some reason I doubt that's going to happen. I also wanted to test out some of the GPS data you can kind of track and log with the GoPro, so I figured, you know, why not? I've got some time today, and I'll be driving for no reason. But first things first, I got to get some tools from Home Depot, and of course get some gas, because E50 drains in my tank with my driving style in like 2 days, literally 2 days. So I also don't want to let it get too low, because it does go pretty quick. So I think I'm around half tank, so I figure I might as well fill up right now. The station's like literally a mile from my house, so yeah, you know, it all works out. Can't complain.
A few moments later. Many months later.
Now we gotta go home and get this project started. Alright, now I gotta move both cars to the garage, or out of the way at least, so I can get the BMW in here and jacked up. So my dad's gonna move the ML. Meanwhile, I'm gonna get the C-Class started. It has been a few days, so let's see how the battery's doing. Seems okay. Let's give her a cold start. Woo! Nice and loud. Finally got the 3 Series in the air. Other cars are elsewhere in the neighborhood, but we're pretty much ready to get on with the diff fluid change, which I'm going to make a video on right now. I'll make a DIY separate from this video. It's more of a casual sort of vloggy type thing, but yeah. Also just noticed my rear tires are at like the wear bar, and the fronts are completely fine, so you know, happens. Alright, so just finished making a DIY, or recording at least, for the diff fluid flush and the diff brace over there. And I'm just going to clean up a little bit. I got stuff everywhere, unfortunately. Losing daylight. In fact, the moon is pretty bright. If we come over here, now I got to install this new shield I got. So my car's a manual now, as you guys probably know by now. And the manuals have a slightly different shield. For the bottom, I got this one on eBay for like 25 bucks. It's not an original BMW one, but it'll do the job just fine. I noticed my automatic one doesn't really fit properly anymore, and also has this extra slot for some ventilation, so I figure it can't hurt to get that and just slap it on there, so that should take like 2 seconds to put on. But while the car's in the air, I might as well. And why is this open? Oh, I forgot I opened it. Okay, so put that on real quick, and then should be good to go. Well, clearly didn't get everything I wanted to do. Didn't even touch the ML's trailer hitch at all, and well, this still looks like this, maybe even worse than it did before. But you know, it is what it is. This doesn't always go to plan, especially with this car kind of stuff. So, what was as simple as it could have been a diff brace, or what was simple as a diff brace, installing it at least and doing a diff fluid flush, turned out to be not as simple as I thought. Well, it was, just took too long. But yeah, that's basically it with this video. Hopefully, I can do some more fun stuff this weekend with the GoPros. I hope that kind of turns out well with the kind of GPS data, so I'm curious about that. But yeah, we'll be back soon.